Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making mermaid chimes. You know I love mermaids, and you know I love chimes, so why not put them together? Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this project, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's get our mermaid on. You can hang anything from these mermaid chimes. Broken jewelry, old chains, keys, whatever makes noise. Thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Just press that subscribe button. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts and I will see you next week. Bye.